Well, I accidentally hit the turn off button, like I was saying. So, yeah. Those are cool looking. They're like the fancy version of those weird looking ones. That's cool looking. Yeah, it's about the storm. Bugs are trying to bite me. Like up the hill, so that's good. That's weird looking. Yeah. If I were a little kid and I saw that, I'd be like screaming because I had dreams of clouds looking like that. Didn't know they actually existed until I started storm chasing. Man, when I was younger, storms didn't look like this. Okay? They looked like the plain clouds way over there. You can't really see them. They didn't look like that. They looked like that. They didn't look like this. You know, I mean, 2020 is when they started looking strange. Here in my town, anyway. Yeah, this is something. They're getting more severe, that's for sure. That's a cool looking cloud. Look at it just going up there. Man, it was smaller earlier too. That's neat. Bugs. Some bugs trying to bite me. That's pretty cool looking over there. Another little gnat. Crows. Yep. Okay, let's see. Besides the train, I can kind of hear some thunder in the background. No. Okay. Let's see if I can somehow put the phone right here. It's gonna fall down as always, but okay, that's pretty much gonna work. If I had the phone tilted like that, it would fit in there. I don't. Okay, so okay, let's see if this will work. It's supposed to rain. Ain't rain yet. It's raining bug bites, that's for sure. Opening an umbrella inside is bad luck. If you open it outside, it's good luck. What did I do? Yeah, there we go. This is also like a weather balloon. It'll like tell you which way the wind is going and all that. So the wind's going this way. Okay, it's blowing pretty good. I would say 6 to 8 miles per hour, maybe close to 15. The wind starts picking up. This way it's going to be hard to move because it's blowing that way. So let's go this way. You'll probably go a little faster. Okay, that's good enough. This one's the right one. Yeah, I was street racing earlier, basically. I see these crazy tricks, I tell you. I was going fast. Wish I caught that on camera, that'd be pretty cool. I didn't. Yeah, I was going fast. The storm just looks like it's making these weird looking little gray clouds. That cloud over there turned into 2. There's another one over there that looks like a dragon or a dinosaur or something. Yeah, basically there's just bugs trying to bite me. So I don't like summer. The only reason I like summer is because you get to swim and that's about it. Yeah, you get to swim and you get to hang out with your friends more often. There's no school. Gosh. Yeah. Okay, should be. Now it looks like a squirrel with its tail amputated. It looks like it's screaming for help or something. It looks like it's reaching out for help. That's funny. Let's see. Okay. One of my new videos actually got a view, so that's good. That's 38 minutes ago. That's pretty good because normally it takes me like a day or two to get a few views. Now, I mean on my Storm channel, not my other channel. I think my most viewed video is a short of my Hasek fan. It's a floor fan. That's about it. My most popular Storm video is me just looking at the clouds, and it has like 1,000 views. My most liked video is one where I'm showing yellow lightning, and it's pretty cool, and it got 34 likes, which is kind of crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna look at the weather app instead of looking at YouTube. Rain in 29 minutes. Okay. Oh man, they're so bad. Let me show you this. These clouds behind me look cool. I don't know if you can tell, but those signs on it are cool looking. Oh, God, if I had my freaking cloud book, I could tell you more about these storms, but I haven't seen those in a long time. I don't know if I've ever seen those. I mean, I think I've seen them. They're just kind of rare. Here's what it looks like over here, if you're wondering. Yeah, just a bunch of those puffy clouds. I think they're called mama clouds or something. Yeah, see them. Things getting closer. This looks like a pretty big storm. 28 minutes, of course it is. It's like I'm the town storm chaser. I'm actually pretty popular. Like, I'll see kids in my town, like, say my name, and I'm like, I don't even know you, man. Yeah, they're saying hi, and I'm like, who is this kid? Yep, it's gonna hit directly, I think. Just the top, it's gonna hit a little bit of yellow there. The other day, and this is kind of weird because there were so many storms all over the place, like I've never seen that before. Even places where there's like never rain, there's like huge thunderstorms. Except for the Arctic Ocean, I think. Oh, Arctic and all that stuff. Yeah, so I'm on 10% battery, which is not great, so. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Okay. Sounds like a BMW. Yeah, I'm probably gonna turn the video off a little bit. And then come back later when there's a storm. Yeah. Nothing really, but yeah, I gotta charge my phone for a little bit before 7. It's supposed to rain in 95% of the area. Look, we're gonna have a storm week. Just so you know, guys, I'm going to summer camp this day, so if I'm not posting any videos on Sunday or for like a whole week, it's because I'm at summer camp. And I'm gonna have fun. Now, I don't know what's wrong with modern kids, but some modern kids don't even know what summer camp is. And they're like, is it fun there? It's like a vacation. Yeah, it's actually kind of more fun than a vacation. Even though I sleep till like 10 o'clock in the morning, I basically just get up at 7 like it's nothing. I guess why they have the 7 o'clock wake up time is because most kids are like public school kids, but I'm the cool kid, so I get to be homeschooled and stuff. It's crazy how I'm almost in 10th grade and I'm 14. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. I'm smart, I can tell you that. And I know homeschooled kids, and they're not that smart. Like, not judging, but like, my friend always, isn't he in 4th grade and he's 11? I think when I was 11, I was like 5th or 6th grade. That's crazy. I can't believe I'm that smart. Yeah, well, I'll see you guys next one. Hope you enjoyed. I'll keep you posted on storm content for a whole week, and then for another whole week, I probably won't be posting anything, so hopefully I get more subscribers while I'm gone. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one.